Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another how-to project for home improvement. What we have here is a door. Yes, not just a door, but a door with bad seals on them. These seals here are not good. You can see here they've been painted all over. They're kind of compressed in, and we want to change these. And a lot of people keep asking me, well, how do you change these? How difficult is it? And how do you do it? I'm going to show you how to do it. Really easy. These just pop in and pop out. This is a very quick video. So this is a scale for 1 to 10, probably a 2. Now these here just pop right into a groove, and I'm going to show you here. So what you want to do is you want to go, because we're going to have this all the way down to the bottom here. So this doesn't even go to the bottom. It should. And because it doesn't, you're going to get some drafts. So we're going to pull this off, and these come off super easy. We have some new ones here. They're actually a little bit more improved, a little bit thicker, and they come these come in 7-foot strips, and you cut them to the size that you need. So we're going to put these in. They have little channels right here. Hopefully you can see those little channels, and those little channels here will go inside the door jamb. Now let me show you what I'm talking about real quick here. So this here, these come out. See here how these pop out? And here is a little groove. And you can see they have the exact same, these just slide in, and these are just going to slide right in this place right here. So these just pop right out. You just take these here, and don't be afraid. Just pull them out easy, right down the line here. Just like this, right? And now that comes right out, you can see here. So here is the old one, okay? And here is the new one. Now the old one looks like a mess. The new one's a little bit thicker, so the door's going to be tighter. It's going to have a better seal, but we want to go around the whole door. So we want to take off the top, all around the sides. So all these come off. Same idea. They just slide out. You just pull them right out. See, I'm just pulling this right out. Super easy. We'll put that to the side, and we'll pull the last one out. Let me just get this last one out here. Again, you just pull them out. So you don't want to damage it. Just pull it straight out. Just keep going, and if they get jammed up, just keep wiggling it, and they'll just come right out. You can just see. See? Just take them out, and that is out. So all three are out, right? And you can see here the old 3 ones right here, painted dirty. So the way to start, I would do the top one first, and then line up the sides to them, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's do that right now. And I think all you need is a pair of scissors, honestly, to cut this. This is pretty easy to cut. Just get like a good industrial pair of scissors, or if you don't have that, use a razor blade. Should work just as well. Or even a side cutters. You know, even a pair of side cutters might cut that, honestly. That's yeah, it looks like pretty easy to cut. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I got my side cutters with me. I think these are going to be just fine. And we're going to measure the top header here, the top piece, because that's going to be really our main piece, and then we want to just go off that. So this is 36 inches across. So I'm going to cut 36 inches, and we're going to pop it in there and just see how it looks. Okay guys, so I measured 36 inches, and we're going to pop this in here. Let me just get a dry fit real quick. And it should be good. And just right in be exactly to 100, because it's going to overlap a little bit, which is fine. And then we're just going to push it in. Just like that. I'm going to just pop it right into the groove. Like that there. And when the door closes, it's going to hit on that. It's going to cause a nice seal. Let's take a dry test on it real quick. Let's just see. Yep, that looks good. It's going to work out just fine. Yep, perfect. And you can see how it's, let me just show you this right here. See how I'm just connecting it like that? Okay, that's what you want to do. Let me just actually goes the other way. Turn it this way. It goes this way, which is fine. And you can see right there how I just tap that right to the edge. That way when they compress, they'll just hit on each other. And that's it. And just gonna push it all the way down. See how that just goes right up to there? So when that door closes, it hits right on these 2 edges here and causes the seal, which is exactly what you're looking for. And we're gonna go right down the edge. Make sure this is tight. That looks really good. Yeah, that should be fine. So you can see here what I'm doing now is I'm pushing it into the groove right down the door. right down the door jamb, and just push it in. Just like that. And we're going to continue going down this. Just keep pushing it in all the way down. Like that. All the way down to the bottom. And then we're going to cut here. Cut that. I think that's actually perfect. Look at that. Now that's perfect. Right down to the edge here. That's good. And then we're going to do the other side. When the door closes, boom, it's going to close here. And if I want to add this extra barrier here, you can right to the bottom if you want to, but I think this is actually going to be perfect. And we're going to do the other side, and that'll be it. That's that easy to install, guys. You can do it yourself. Don't hire anybody else. You can do it. Guys, so I got started the other side, and I'm just pushing it in the channel. Exact same way. Just right down the side. Just pushing it all the way down. And you can just see how it just falls right in. Same thing with this one. We're going to cut it. And I think it makes let me just get a little longer with this one here. That's perfect, actually. And then just push it right down. And that is perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. And that's all you got to do. That's it. That's sitting right on that edge there, which that's what I'm looking for. Let me just pop it out a little bit. Yep, that'll sit right in that corner. And that's it. That is installed. All done. Now, literally took just a couple of minutes. I just wanted to explain to you how it worked. Here's the other side here. That's all set. Now, we're going to close the door. It should be a nice, tight seal. Nice. Really nice and tight. You can see there's no gap. It looks beautiful. There'll be no air coming through here at all. That is all finished and installed. Very easy. Like I said, and that's it. And you can tell it's better because before you close the door, you have to really push to lock it. That means it's getting a better seal. You can just see how that popped out. That means you're getting a good seal. And you can just really tell it is absolutely perfect. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Easy DIY. Definitely perfect, perfect, perfect. You can just see how nice this is all run across. Really easy. Just really love the way it come out. And that's it. Good to go. All right, guys, to the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate everyone tuning in, watching this video. Here's all the old crap. Throw it in the trash. Get rid of it. And that's it. All right, guys, until the next review, appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share the video. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next video.